Good afternoon, guys. This is example of the graph inequality on number line. It was lesson 3-1, but many of you missed the lesson on that class in the class. So this is how you graph it. We have this x greater than 3, only greater than. Okay. So let's see. This is how you graph. I just want to show you how to graph it. So you just put insert, drawing, new, okay, and then you get the number line, get the line, and you have the 0, and then you have the number that, whatever it is, the number that you have, okay. So right here it's 3. I am going to put 0 in the middle. That's a 0. And on the left, it's -3. And then on the right, it's a +3. Okay. When it's a positive, I don't need to put the positive side. I just put 3. And that's a -3. Unlike the -3, I have to put negative side. But when it's a positive, I don't have to put anything. Just put 3. And on this number, it says x greater than 3, only greater than. So I will put my dot, okay, where my 3 is, right here. But the dot is going to be blank. It's going to be empty, okay? It's not filled because it's only greater than. So anything that greater than 3 here, it's going to be x. And that's it. That's all the graph of x greater than 3. But you leave the dot blank, okay, not filled up. Save and close. That's how the graph looks like. Okay, next one on number 2. Number 2, it says greater than and equals to. So, again, same thing. I'm going to put insert, drawing, new. So I will get number line, draw the line, and put 3 dots. I'll put -3, 0, 3. Okay, so put my text, that's a -3. In the middle, I will put the 0. And on my right, that's my +3, or my 3 right here. So I'm going to move it up a little. Okay. X is greater than and equals to 3. So I will get my dot on the 3. And the 3 is a part of the solution. So therefore, I will shade the dot. Okay. Now next. Get my arrow, anything that is greater than 3, and 3 itself is a part of x. So I'm going to put my x right here, and save and close. That's it. You see the difference? Right here, x greater than 3, so the dot is empty. But right here, when it says x greater than and equals to 3, so the dot is filled. That's all the difference, pretty much, guys. Okay, next. On number 3, it says x less than 2, only less than 2. Again, I will draw the picture, draw the graph, insert, drawing, new, and then I will get the number line like that, and then I will put my 3 dots. That's all I need. I don't need that many number. So right here, that's -2. In the middle will be my 0. And on the right, I will put my 2. Okay. Now my x is less than 2, only less than 2. So 2 itself is not part of the solution. So I'm going to put anything that is less than 2. So do not fill it up. I'm going to leave the dot empty. And anything that is less than 2, all the way over here, that's my x. Okay. If I can't see, I'm going to move it up a little. Oops. Okay. There, so you can see it. Okay. Anything that is less than 2. Not the 2 itself, but anything that is less than 2. That's my x. So I'm going to put my x over here. Okay. That's number 3. See, the dot is empty. It's not filled. And next one, number 4. Again, I will insert, drawing, new on number 4. So get the number line, draw my line. Right here is my -2. It's my 0. And it's my +2. So put the number on number line, -2. Okay, in the middle, that's my 0. And then on the right side, I will put number 2. Okay. Next, the graph, I will put the shape right on number 2. Number 2 itself is a part of the solution, so I'm going to shade it. Next, get the arrow to draw my graph, any number that is less than 2, okay, including the 2 itself, anything. So that will be my x. That's my arrow right there. So I will put anything that is less than the 2. That will be my x. Okay. So I put x. Save and close. That's it. That's number 4. Okay. Now let's see number 5. Number 5, it says x greater than, only greater than -5. So I will put insert, drawing, new, and then greater than -5. Okay. Get the line. So again, I will put, this is my -5, this is my 0, this is my +5. As you can see, I put only 3 number. Don't need to do much, okay? -5. And then right here in the middle here is a 0. Move a little, okay. And the last one right here will be my +5. Or just 5. Okay. So now, it was x greater than, only greater than -5. So I will put the shape, which is the circle, to get on number -5 itself. It's right there. Only greater than -5. -5 itself, it's not the answer. So anything that is greater than, so I'm going to get, draw from there to the right because it's greater. X is greater than that, so I'm going to go to the right. And these are my x. So I'm going to put x right here. Okay. There you go. Save and close. And that's number 5. Okay. Next, number 6. Same thing. I'm going to do insert, drawing, new. So this time it's greater than and equals, okay? So it will be just a little bit different on the dot. So I will put, that's my -5, that will be my 0, and that will be my +5. So I will put, that's my -5 in the middle, that will be my 0, and then on the far right, that will be my +5. So I'm going to put 5, just 5, okay? Now, it was x greater than and equals to -5. So I'm going to get my dot on my -5. And the -5 itself is a part of the solution. So I'm going to fill up the hole. Okay, there you go. Even the -5 itself is part of the solution. So, and anything that is greater than the -5 is part of the solution. So I'm going to draw all the way the arrow. Those are my x. And put the x value. That is my x. There you go. Save and close. That's number 6, guys. Now, my number 7. Right here, x less than -3. Okay, so again, insert, drawing, new. So we'll get my number line. Okay, all the way right here. -3. So I'm going to put, that's my -3. That's my 0. And that's my +3. I will put my 0 in the middle. Okay. My 3 is on the right. So put my 3 and move it up a little bit. And then on my left is my -3. So put -3. Okay, and it says x less than -3, only less than. So -3 itself is not the part of the solution. Only anything that is less than -3. So that means now I'm going to get my arrow. Any number that less than -3 is the x, okay? Will be value of x, I mean. It's right here. And that's my x. Right there. Okay, done. Save and close. And that's number 7. And now number 8, you have less than and equals to. So I'm going to put insert, drawing, new. Now get number line, draw number line, and then that's my -3. That's my 0. That's my 3, and put the text. The number text box. That's -3 in the middle. That will be my 0. Okay, and at the far right it will be number 3. Okay, so now I will put the dot because it's a less than and equals to. So get the shape, and I'm gonna fill up the shape right here. Okay, fill it up. There you go. And anything that is less than -3, even the -3 it says part of the x, so these are the x right here. So I'm gonna put my x right here. Okay, I have my graph. Now save and close. I'm done. And that's all how you draw. Okay, pretty much you grab inequality and the number on the number line. That's it, guys. I hope you get this. Go look at this video, okay, if you need to. Thank you, and I see you in class. This is 3-1 of the inequality, okay?